Hi guys, I'm doing this video today because I, like maybe a lot of you, are having problems when I do the print and cut on glossy photo paper, that when you actually go to cut, the Cricut is not being able to read the black lines. And so I have this hack that I have found online that we're going to try today and see if it works. So right now I'm doing a run without the hack to just show you what it does for me when I try to do the print on the glossy paper. It just really is struggling to try to read the lines right now. It's not even over the lines. It's just doing some really funny stuff. So the hack is actually supposed to take care of the glare problem that is going on with it trying to read the lines. So it's not really gonna do anything. It's gonna keep trying to read and it will probably give me some kind of failure. So let's get to the hack. Okay, so I read this online where somebody is using matte finish invisible tape and putting it over the black lines and taking the glare away. So I'm gonna go ahead and put some tape on over the black lines and then we will try to run it through and see what it does. Okay, I'm not sure if you can tell because it's kind of dark in here, but I have put tape over the black lines and now I'm going to run it through, and I did that all the way around on each line. So I'm going to run it through and see what it's going to do. Okay, there we go. All right, I have loaded it up and I'm going to hit the cut button and we are going to see what it does, if it's going to read it. So far so good. Usually by now it starts acting really strange, but it looks like it's actually being able to read the black lines. Okay, let's see if it actually will cut. Okay, I went ahead and removed all my excess paper, and just to show you how it cut, it cut it really good. I mean, it's pretty precise. So this hack actually worked for me. So a big thumbs up on that. So give it a try, and if you would, leave a comment in the section below and let me know what you think, if it works for you. Thank you. Thanks for watching.